how we start off the year. Goodness. What's good with y'all? Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a safe holidays. Made y'all little New Year's resolution to y'all goals this year and what y'all want to accomplish. But looking back on last year, I'm grateful and thankful for all of y'all support. The biggest downfall was the route my content went to. Like, here's a video from the end of 2024 for my goals for last year. Like in the video, you'll see we definitely crushed my goals, but I'm going to explain more after you watch this. Pretty much going to do it for this video. I guess the year's up now because I probably won't take this car back out anymore this year. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And like I said, goals are set high for next year. We're gonna finish out next year, 5K, 2025, 5K. That's my goal for subs. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. Big plans. Okay, as you've seen, my goals were 5,000 subscribers, and this is where we are now.
Jesus Christ.
That's as of December 1st, 2026. We're at over 21,000 subscribers. That's good, that's great. Last year we got monetized and everything. So I'm definitely grateful and thankful for that, but it's the route, like I was telling you, my channel went to. I started posting shorts, and one went viral, and after that it was a wrap. So I didn't want my channel to be based off shorts. Like, I want people to watch my long form content. So that's the problem. We got 21,000. I was only asking for 5. So we're gonna set the goal for this year. We're gonna say, what, 50,000 subscribers? That's giving us another 30. If we can, let's get to 100,000. That would be great. But I want my channel to be based on long form, not me just posting shorts. So with that being said, I'm gonna grind even harder this year. We're gonna eventually get rid of some cars and of course bring in some cars. We'll change the content up. And as you still see, I still got stuff in here that we're working in the garage, getting everything situated. So the visual, as far as me working inside the garage and where I work, will be like nice. So not hard on the eyes. Yeah, but I don't want to talk y'all head off, but that's just my goals and my frustration for my channel. Like I said, I'm grateful and thankful I got monetized and we got a good amount of subs, but mind you, people that watch shorts only watch what a minute, 30 seconds of your video, and if I'm posting long form, they're looking for shorts. So my views for my long videos are like mediocre, not good at all. So that's what we're gonna work on this year, and we're gonna knock that out the park and just change some stuff up. So once again, love y'all, thank y'all. Let's jump into this year. All right, and as y'all see, my freaking tire blew out the day before Christmas. So my thing with this is I'm gonna have to take all the Christmas lights off, the decals. I didn't know if I wanted to keep the decals and stickers on the car, but I think I'm gonna just take everything off. We are going to keep this car on the channel. I'm gonna get it painted or wrapped. We got coilovers coming in, and I got a tire coming in soon. And for these, we're gonna eventually finish these up because they need to be done. I got something special planned for them. which, yeah, I don't want to speak too much on it now. But I'm going to do something with these. Y'all already know that I kept saying I was going to get them powder coated or painted bronze. That still might be the plan, but it's going to be more to it. But yeah, this is the garage. This is the chaos. This is what we're going to be working in this year. And you remember, we got the land cleared off, waiting for grass to grow. So this is my little playground, my work area. So hopefully we can take off this year. And like I said, accomplish our goals, 50K. Just damn car mats we had from last year. Got to get rid of those, get some new ones. But yeah, so. And I've been on Marketplace like crazy. A few days ago, I was looking at this 2000 S10. They want $1,000 for it, ran, drove. He said torque converter was having issues, but it still drove. It was just some vibration and some of the RPMs. I was going to go meet him first thing the next morning after I talked to him, and he was like, somebody was coming in from about 45 minutes away. Mind you, this guy's literally up the road, but I had to run and get the cash because he didn't have a cash app and everything. But that got sold, so I was definitely going to pick that up. But yeah, I don't want to talk your head off. This video was just an introduction into 2026. So with y'all help, we can accomplish everything. Y'all stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff for me. And until next time, I'm out.